Everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kanda. This is Praveen. In this Java string programming playlist, we'll learn string programs from the scratch. This is Java string programming, session number 36, difference between string buffer and string builder. If you're confident about learning, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more updates. Please click the bell icon and select all notifications. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. Let's get started. So before that, you may have the question, sir, we don't know about thread concept, whether you can able to understand. So in layman perspective only, that is, even if you don't know thread concept, you can able to understand. In that perspective only, we frame the example. Just try to understand. Okay, because many of the beginners are confused. They will bypass that string buffer means thread safe, string builder means it is not thread safe. The interview is asking what is that thread safe, or what is that not synchronized. They're asking means completely blank. You will maintain the silence. Am I right? So many of the beginners done this issues. So we will sort out this issue with a real-time example. You won't forget lifelong. Okay. So first of all, you just what try to understand. String buffer and string builder both are mutable one. String is immutable. Next, what's the major difference? String buffer is synchronized, so it is thread safe. Then automatically, what's the question? What is synchronized? So all your queries will sort out today. Okay, don't worry. At last, we'll discuss this tabulation. Then only you can able to understand. So what are the functions, common functions supported in both string buffer and builder are same. Already we have discussed append, insert, delete, reverse, replace, caret, set caret. All these functions. To string also supported. Okay, these functions we already discussed. I'm skipping this. Important thing is what's that major difference? Okay, so this is that example. This beginners can easily understand. I'm not taking the thread concept directly. First, we'll consider the example writing on a blackboard. Single person, that is one student or one employee writing on the board, no problem. They will firstly write, no confusion that is about string builder. So far, I'm telling. Only it will be suitable for only one board. So no issues, there is no conflict. Case 2, many students or many employees are writing together, multiple students trying to write on the same board at the same time. Possible problem like someone is like a hell, oh, at the time someone is coming and then they also writing, let us get mixed. Am I right? It's a mixed one, messy. To avoid this, teacher will say only one student can write at a time. Otherwise, it will be confused. What's that? What you are writing? What you are trying to say? It will be confused. So for that, one student can write at a time. This is about doing by the which one? Synchronization. That synchronization will take care about that. Only one student can write at a time. That is about string buffer. Then only we are telling due to synchronization, thread is safe. So now we'll map this theoretical concept in the programming part. Real life student Java programming, it is a thread. Okay, lightweight process. Blackboard. In Java programming, string buffer or builder. So whatever we can consider, string buffer or builder. Teacher control. So only one student can write at a time. Wait for others. He will write his name. He will write his name Raja. Next person write his name Arun. So now you can read it. Otherwise, letters gets mixed like this. Everyone is writing. Now the board is looks like a clumsy. You can't able to understand. So this control will be taken in Java, who is taking responsible synchronization. So what is a thread? That worker. Okay, worker is a thread. Got it. So one Java program equal to one classroom. One Java program equal to one classroom. Thread equal to one student doing work by default. Runs one thread, only one worker. Single thread means we can go for which one? String builder. No issues in that, no conflict, no confusion. So it exits faster, we can easily read at that board. So what is happening? Same thing. String build is perfect here. Multiple threads, many workers are coming. Student A writing, student B writing, same blackboard. That is about multi-threading. We can't avoid them. Okay. We can tell. Because single use means no use. no issues. I'm right, single use means no issues. Like a single many of the people will tell. So if you're using your vehicle, either a bike or car, if it is single hand usage means no issues. So that person will know strength and weakness of that bike. If many of them using, completely the flow will be changed. Am I right? So single flow, that is string builder. Only one person is driving, no issues. Multiple persons are using, it's like common use at that time. Okay. So you should be use the string buffer because it's following the synchronization concept. At that time, only one can use it. Okay. Today, if someone is taking, that person alone completely take it. The bike, same concept. Creating threads, don't worry about the gondal. Okay, don't worry about the program code, just follow what is happening. This thread 1, process 1, this process 2, person 1, person 2. So you don't need to remember the syntax now, just understand t1 t2 work at the same time. So what's the problem now? Both are executing in the same time. So this is t1 thread, what they are doing means string append of a, parallel another person is doing what is that, append of b. Got it? Append of B. So don't worry about the start, join, and all. Now just try to understand why it is not safe. That's the concept behind this. While discussing thread cancel, discuss what is thread join. I'm not going to confusing now. Okay, so what are the possible output means? AB or BA. See here, A. So at the time what you're doing, parallel multiple persons are doing. One person is doing A, another person will do B, appended. Or some person is first doing B, that is appending the string, and another person is doing BA. So the possible output are like this. In complex cases, output may be inconsistent. Am I right? Whether A is adding now or B is adding now. So order not guaranteed. Data can mix in bigger cases. So string builder is not safe here because there is no order they are maintaining. So after this A only B should come, or after this B only A should come. There is no order. Okay. So for that we having a solution, string buffer. So here also we using the SB dot append of A, SB dot append of B, but we are giving the synchronize option. See here, we'll give the synchronize option. So because of synchronize, what will happen means one thread can execute. Okay, what is that? One thread can execute, afterwards next thread can come. That's the concept behind that. Okay, one is running means other have to wait, don't disturb them. So we'll use that keyword synchronize now, wait. So here also order is not current, any order will exit, but what's the thing is, data will not be corrected. At the time only one will happen, at the time one will happen. Many of them will tell same time don't do double work, it will be confused. Complete one work and do another work. So that is what we are telling you. Synchronize keyword you are using. So only one thread can touch string buffer at a time. So first lock it. If your thread is executing, lock it, write it, and then unlock. Next, another one will do it. Okay, hereafter. String builder, what will do? It directly write it, no lock system and all. So the confusion occurs, which will execute first. But if you are using a string buffer, at the time only one thread will execute. So first lock it. Once other thread is executing, don't disturb the thread. After completing this, unlock it, another thread will execute. This is the reason string buffer is slower also. If you are doing the call, every time you call sp dot append of x, is someone using me, it will check. No. So should I wait or proceed? So it will check. Because if someone is doing the operation, you should wait. If it is free, you can do, other thread will execute. So this is the reason string buffer is slower. So slower, it's not a problem, but it's a consistent data loss is less. So that is what real life parallel you are exiting. Blackboard is string buffer or builder. Student is a thread. Teaching teacher allowing one student means what is it? Synchronize operation. No teacher, then that is a string builder. Teacher present, that is a string buffer. So golden rule is single threaded program. You can use string builder, no issues. Only one thread is exiting. Only one main function. One thread is there. Multi-threaded program, there is multiple threads, multiple processes are exiting. Then you can go for string buffer, it having the capability to control it by the help of synchronize. So in simple word, synchronize meaning only one thread is allowed inside at a time. Okay, that's it. Nothing more in that concept. Okay, now we can summarize it with the tabulation what I told. First I explained it the real-time example, afterwards slightly move on to the thread concept. Okay, hereafter I think you won't forget. Why string buffer is thread safe, synchronized, why string builder is not non-synchronized, it is not safe but it is faster. This is the example we already told. So string is immutable, string buffer is mutable, string builder is also mutable. Thread safe is no. In string also there is no guarantee. String builder has no guarantee, but string buffer is synchronized. Performance wise, string and string buffer is slower, but string builder is faster. Use case fixed text. You can go. That is you can't able to change it. So fixed one I'm going means you can go with string. You should not change the alter. Multiple thread means string buffer. Single thread means string builder. Got it? If you found the session useful, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more updates, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.